Welcome to another exciting IT A-level learning chunk, where we're going to be looking at wireless networks, what they are, the equipment you need for them, and how they work. Enjoy. Here we have two different networks. One of them is wireless, the other one is wired. Which one's which? Correct. If you said that the one on the left was simply wireless, which it is, and the one on the right is wired. Which one do you use at your home? Do you use the wired one, or do you use the wireless one? So, today we're not going to talk about wired. We're going to be talking about wireless. So here are some facts that you need to know about wireless networks. Number one, computers can share data with each other, and that includes printers, by the way, via radio signals. So that red, which is going from this computer to the router, is a radio signal or a radio wave. So signal or wave. And that transmits through the air. So computers send radio signals or waves, whatever you want to call it, through the air. And wireless networks work from anywhere that you can get a signal from that network. So you have this man sitting in the corner here, having a coffee, the router's inside a cafe, but he's still in range to actually receive radio signals. So many hotspots, and that is what this is called, a hotspot, are in public places which offer wireless connections. So this man is taking advantage of this cafe's hotspot. He's able to talk to their router through his phone and receive radio signals to his phone. To set up a Wi-Fi network, you need the following things. You need a computer which is Wi-Fi enabled. So that's my computer. Really badly drawn, but there you go. And it should have Wi-Fi enabled, so it allows you to go onto Wi-Fi. That's the first thing. The second thing you need is a router. Let's draw. So you've got your router, and you need the internet. The router needs to be connected to the internet through broadband, high-speed broadband. So you need a computer which is Wi-Fi enabled, you need a router, and you need that router connected to the internet through high speed. What I'm going to talk to you now is how Wi-Fi actually works. So how it works is the router receives data from the internet, so it could be a website. Now that data comes as radio signals. Then what happens is the router sends to the computer these radio signals through its antenna. So this is an antenna. The computer then receives the radio signals, but it doesn't understand them. It's like gibberish. So what the computer has inside it is a wireless adapter. And that wireless adapter basically turns this signal and puts it into data that the computer can actually understand, which is, as we know, binary. So let me go through that again. The computer receives signals. The computer receives signals. So the router receives signals. The antenna takes these radio signals from the internet, sends it to the computer. The network adapter, the wireless network adapter, spelled wireless before it, converts it, changes it into data which the computer can understand, And there you go, you'll get a website on your computer loaded up, or you'll get Skype video being sent to you, or you can play your games. That is the process. So antenna, wireless network adapter, radio signals sent from the internet. They're key points. Network adapter, what does it do? Turn the radio signals into data which your computer can understand. Good. And there you go.